Hey everybody, today we're going to be working on how to add fractions in the calculator. So first step, you want to click on our calculator here. We're then going to go to the Desmos scientific calculator. Let's say we want to do the problem 1/2 plus 1/3. You want to come to this fraction button right here, which is A over B. You're going to click that button. So if we have a half, we put the 1 on top. The 2 is our denominator on the bottom. Then we're going to click our plus sign. We're going to click our fraction right here again. And we have 1 over 3. The blue button is your equal sign. Now notice right here it gives us a decimal. If you want to have a fraction answer, notice that this button right here says convert to fraction. If you'll click that, it'll convert to 5/6.